From the moment I first held you, you've been my greatest blessing. Watching you become the woman you are today, strong, kind, and brilliant, has been an incredible journey. To my firstborn, Nak Shena Vanessa, sa lahat, ikaw ang nakaka-relate ng mga pinagdadaanan ko at ikaw rin ang pinakabuli sa lahat. But I am so proud of you kung ano ang meron ka ngayon at ano ka na ngayon. As you enter this final year of your 20s, may you continue to chase your dreams, shine brightly, and embrace every new adventure. Stay healthy, please. So proud of you. Happy birthday to my 348-month-old daughter. Love you big time. See you soonest.